Oh my god, I can't say enough about the mini splits. I actually tell people every day when they're complaining about heat and stuff during the summer, like, hey, I got these put in my house, they're great. I got 3 units put in. 3 is too many. I actually only ever use 2, but I like to have 3 because we're on the 3rd floor, and on like 100-degree days it could get super humid up there, so having a 3rd I thought was beneficial. But I turn them on at the beginning of the summer, set it at the set temperature I wanted, and then they just run. They're quiet. The house is always comfortable, never hot, never muggy. On days where it might have gotten a little higher than what I would have liked because of the temperature I set it on, I just lower the temperature and it cools off really quick. And there's no fans in the house, so I'm not circulating air, but the whole house is cool. It's made my life easier, and it's cheaper than the units you put into the window as far as electricity.